In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unmute a Udemy video, making sure your online learning experience is as smooth and effective as possible. If you've ever found yourself frustrated by a muted video or uncertain about where the sound controls are hidden, don't worry. I've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to your Udemy dashboard. Now, if you're scratching your head and wondering where that is, it's really simple. When you log in, you should automatically land on your dashboard. Think of this as your personal learning hub. It's where all your courses and resources are neatly organized. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to click on My Learning. This tab is your go-to spot for accessing all the courses you've enrolled in. Imagine it like your library of digital classrooms ready for you to explore. Now, with My Learning open, browse through your selection of courses and pick the one you want to dive into today. You can think of each course as a virtual journey, ready to expand your knowledge and skills. Once you've selected a course, you'll be taken to a page specifically dedicated to that course's content, including all its lectures and materials. This is where the magic happens. Look towards the video player on your screen. It's not uncommon for videos to start in muted mode. This helps avoid any unexpected sounds, especially in a busy environment. So, how do we bring that sound back? It's straightforward. Locate the speaker icon. Depending on the device you're using, this could be in different positions within the video player, but typically you'll find it towards the bottom of the video screen, along the control bar. The speaker icon is your audio control center. By simply clicking on this icon, you have the power to toggle the sound on or off. If it's muted, you'll see a little X next to the speaker symbol. Clicking it once will unmute the video, allowing you to hear all the rich audio content that complements your visual learning. Don't forget that the volume can also be adjusted here. You can slide the volume bar to the level that suits you best, ensuring a comfortable listening experience, and that's it. You've successfully unmuted your Udemy video. This small adjustment can transform how you engage with your course, allowing you to follow along with the instructor's explanations and insights more effectively. Remember, actively using these controls will help you customize your learning environment to meet your preferences and needs. If you find yourself in this situation again, just remember these quick steps, and you'll be enjoying your course content with full audio in no time. Keep exploring and learning, one unmuted video at a time. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.